come off the top of them head and just, and it clearly shows, and they just come off at the top of them head.
It's
sometimes
not well
it
thought
hit,
out. Yeah.
sometimes it don't hit, but if they don't have like a long sustained plan and I guess talent, then I'm not trying to, people I guess I may have tried this space with Hero with this guy, but I'm not trying to listen. I'm just like, if he's really funny and really talented, I guess he'll regroup and get back to what it is that we know him for, which is to make funny videos. Yeah.
Indeed so.
Anyways, Travis
in the building.
Vasky. I didn't get the government name, so when somebody said, "Oh, Travis is here," I'm like, "Huh?"
He did up on the live? He did up on Instagram live?
I don't have service.
Thank God. Thank God.
Yeah.
So you're here. You tell us about your business, a t-shirt line.
Well, it's not my business.
Okay.
It's my friend's company, a t-shirt company, Jamaica Slangz&patwa t-shirt. Yeah, he's abroad now, so I come to represent for him. It's a souvenir t-shirt company.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What that mean?
Okay, so you know normally you buy a t-shirt, you have it, you wear it 2 times, you throw it down, you wash it out, you turn a yard clothes. Not this. You say it's a souvenir, so you buy it, you probably wear it
One time.
Yeah, and you frame it like a jersey apparently.
So it's pretty much for like Jamaicans who go abroad and then still want
exactly.
to keep like the
And
Jamaican
citizens,
culture.
you know, man, the Philippines.
Oh, cool.
Okay. So why isn't he here?
He's not in the island.
Oh, okay. Okay. So when was this started?
2015.
Mm.
Yeah, 4 years now. No, 3 years actually.
Oh, she can't put the maths either.
Yeah. We're not maths people, that's why we're here. So what kind of I see you, is that one they have on right now, what that's it?
You can't
Style.
Okay.
The designs are actually,
Oh, so you have more.
I have our t-shirt them as well.
yes, I have your t-shirts as well.
People them might hear the
see
scandal.
No,
So real Jamaican.
this is a Gucci scandal bag, so them can watch.
So the man brought our t-shirts in a scandal bag
Gucci
that they're
scandal.
trying to play off as a Gucci scandal bag. Alright, cool.
Oh, so these are some of the designs that you have.
Those are actually all the designs.
Designs, okay.
Yeah.
Then you have them in every size, a plus size,
Yes.
and extra small for the super slim girl.
So what's the style
you-
varied from?
Well,
Like what's the cheapest to the highest?
it's actually one cost for all.
Okay, so what's
It's 2,500 Jamaican.
alright. And quality of the shirts, because as they say, that sometimes you wash it once and
No, these actually don't wash out.
Sun
anything.
Island, so yeah, they're really good. Okay. Nice.
And you have some high colors, so you can't hide it again.
So who come up with the idea to do this?
It's actually Andreas Raby.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. On Instagram it's Jamaica Slangz&patwa t-shirts.
Okay.
Yeah, he's the owner, Andreas Raby.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like regular human being, let me not say. I get to you guys. Yeah, regular human, we want to achieve things. We want things. We're tired to go to the bus stop and take bus go where I go.
Mm-hmm.
You know, sometimes when they come out of the bus, they call you and the girl not really interested in you because you
You
sweat.
smell like boss.
Exactly. So he took the initiative, started the company. He was working out by the Norman Manley International Airport at the time, so you know they have souvenir stores there that sell. So apparently that's where the idea came from. He started off. That's why the price is even that high. You see, it's not really geared towards like the Jamaicans who
Regular broke pocket people like me.
I don't want to say that because personally I don't buy the shirts. I get them.
Goals.
Nice.
Yeah. So we normally target like the foreigners them who are leaving. Yeah.
Okay, so that's why you say
He
have
started.
you set out a shop at Norman Manley.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you're leaving off, you're going in, you can get nice.
And how's the support? Like, you have persons who actually stop by and purchase?
And you can buy online?
He has his fan base, his people overseas, Canada, Wales, UK, USA.
Oh.
He was mentioning them. I was like, okay, then, because I know when you say Jamaica Slangz&patwa, all the Jamaicans going to be like, where is this company from? I haven't heard about it. And obviously, he's doing business because it's from 2015 until now.
Right.
Yeah, and he's continuing to keep more shirt like you, so it was good. Right? So he has his supporters.
Okay.
So if you have like an idea that you want to, like you have something where you want to design, you have custom made shirts that you can.
Alright, that's
I can give you something and you make it for me.
Andre kind of stubborn. I'm knowing him up on the live now. Big up yourself, Andre General.
So,
yeah.
so him did see what I said about it. Yeah. Big up Andre.
Big up Andre. Big him up.
Big up Andre.
Yeah. So Andre, what tell me when you say this?
Oh my god.
So
you have different styles. So what you have is you have not stress out, I'm gonna go over no man, you can't style a styler.
Real Jamaican, keep it grimy. If
Sure.
you're a user, stay far away from me.
Yeah, I like that one.
Stop following me up.
And you have it in different colors too. So I see you have blue, you have pink, you have black.
Catch it on the light.
Yeah.
alright, cool.
No place like yard.
Which one did you get, Ari?
Of course, not stress I'm gonna go over no man.
Let's get
I live abroad but I represent Jamrock Street. I'm sorry,
that shirt right there, it shows that you are stressed. It shows one thing and I said the other thing. That perfectly encapsulates Ari right there. Pretty much.
The one
It perfectly encapsulates our
And women in general, yeah.
So we're not stressed out, but we look
Yeah, but you
stressed.
don't look stressed.
Andre probably need to change that, okay?
Cause we don't want to look stressed out.
Like we're declaring that we're not stressed over no man, so we need to not look stressed. But I like the quality though, I feel it. It feels good.
Yeah, you can get at least 10 wash out, right? So.
Say no wash.
At least 10.
If you're not a machine user, wash your hand and
Oh.
you keep it long.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, the
Because
machine
I
kind of
wash.
mash up people clothes.
Yeah, I don't really use the washing.
And this Anari, you can't style a styler.
Let me see.
Style people. Styler.
I haven't got to them and quality feel nice.
And of course my own say no big friend from people. So I only got one friend at school.
I think this is Jamie.
Alright, so I get with shirts now, people. Alright, we're feeling the quality. Javed, that's you as
This
well.
is Ari.
No,
Yeah.
see Aria.
So how come I two? Mine's supposed to black. Give me my shirt.
So,
wait,
that
I
has
don't
Naro
want
on
to
it.
We'll figure it out. People. We'll figure it out.
We're going crazy
Oh,
over the
see,
shirt.
Mm.
Oh, yeah.
My own black. Stress me.
In the meantime, tell people how they can get these shirts and how,
Yeah.
like if we're not on social media.
Social media, yeah.
Instagram is Jamaica Slangz_patwa.
Mm.
Yeah, that's the medium we use this most. So Instagram, because you know the world is on Instagram.
Mm.
Big up Instagram.
Alright.
And type it in.
Alright, we'll type it into the live and make the people know so they can
And
get these
remember,
shirts.
Andre is watching you now, so.
Okay.
Take care
Big
of
up yourself, Andre. I
Andre, my
should
shirt
have
should
known
be
that
black.
before. Yeah, but I just still here, man. But after I come off, I don't know people. Oh, come on, I tell you what it say. Well, yeah. Big up, though. Give thanks for the shirts.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Thank you.
People keep it locked. I got to a break right now. Just
Marvin. He barely has